What's the meaning of confederacy? Confederacy. Confederacy.
Confederacy. Confederacy. Confederacy refers to an alliance or union of independent states or groups for a common purpose. The result of a confederacy is often a decentralized system of government, with power held mostly by the individual states or groups rather than a central authority. This can lead to challenges in decision-making and coordination, as well as potential conflicts between member entities. The United States was originally organized as a confederacy under the Articles of Confederation, but the weaknesses of this system led to the adoption of a stronger federalist framework with the Constitution.